like an open ocean out there. Oh, cripes. How's the boat doing? We might have beached the boat. Oh well. Should be okay. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Life with Spiike. Today, well, so much for fishing. It's pretty darn windy today. Yeah, so the Weather Network says this is supposed to last most of the day. So I don't think we're going to get any break to go fishing today. But yeah, the boat's getting a little bit beat up, but should be fine. I don't think it'll damage it or anything like that. Well, we're going to go have a couple eggs, a couple hash browns, I guess. I don't know. Relax in the van. Go have some lunch. I'm hungry. I was just thinking to myself, today would be like the perfect day to go out on like a 3, 4, maybe 5 hour mountain bike ride, e-bike ride, or even a dirt bike ride would be pretty fun. Just can't do anything else but, you know, sit in the van or go for a walk or go for a hike or, you know, things like that. 'Cause fishing is just a no-go. And I was just hoping to get my fishing done before the weather got really bad, or to the point where, you know, you're sitting in the boat shivering. So fishing's no fun like that. So we're gonna have some fun before the weather lasts, that's for sure. But yeah, we're gonna pull out some hash browns. Have some hash browns. Like, no respect for my space. No nothing. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I guess people just don't have respect for like other people's spaces, because like I rent this space, I paid the camping fee, this is my area, you know. Otherwise, why would I come here if people are just gonna walk through my area? You know what I mean? Just breathe. Not worth getting in a fight. It's not even worth saying anything half the time. You just gotta let it be. It doesn't happen a lot. Like, normally people are very respectful, and a lot of the times they'll even watch out for your stuff, and they'll, you know, avoid getting in the middle of your stuff and, you know, walking through areas, or not going around your solar panels or your Starlink and things like that. But sometimes you just run across those people. I have definitely debated on getting a couple security cameras, just, you know, that just do like a almost like a 200-degree radius outside the van, pointed out to, you know, the passenger side, and then one out to the driver's side. But it's just like, what is low power enough that I can run on my little battery, you know? Because I don't have like 1,000,000 watt hours of power to run, you know, a big server and everything like that. So it's got to be low powered, you know, saves on a micro SD chip, and probably like uses its own battery, whether it's rechargeable or it's just a couple AA's or something. And it's got to be safe and secure, because I'm going to be driving with it, driving down the road, you know. But it's definitely something that I would consider. I was also thinking of a game trail camera, something that I can just tie to the tree, you know, up in the bush, like up out of the reach, a little bit not visible, you know, motion censored, so if anybody walks through my site, I can record it and get a capture of it, just, you know, for security purposes. But most of the time when I'm up in these areas, nobody touches your stuff. Nobody walks through your campsite. Like, that's why I was so confused, like, why are you in my campsite? Like, you're not supposed to be here? So I was just a little confused. So just had to like keep my eye on them, because You know, I've got, you know, thousands of dollars worth of fishing gear sitting around, and you know, I don't have really much else sitting around. Everything else is inside the van. But if I was tent camping, everything would be out in the open, you know, food, bins, like everything. You know, normally I put my jerry cans and stuff inside the trailer, so that makes a big difference for me. Oh, there goes the wind again. That's crazy. I've never seen swells that big on this lake before. Oh man. Now I see why Buddy said he was blown off the lake the other day. I've never seen winds up here like this. This is crazy. But yeah, alright. We're going to pull the generator out, and we're going to pull a carburetor off, and we're going to see if we can get it working. Now, I am going to be using YouTube as a reference because that's where I got all my information from. So hopefully I can pull that YouTube video up and just follow the directions step by step, get the carburetor out and get it nice and clean, put it back in, and hopefully have a working generator again. Because if that's the case, I'd like to get a one of those like cargo box carriers on the back of the van, so I could put a couple jerry cans, my generator, and a stack of firewood on the outside of the van. Because throughout the winter, I don't think I'll be doing a lot of crazy 4x4 trail, you know, excursions or anything like that. So I think having that extra couple feet out the back of the van, it's not going to hurt anybody. And we can put a little bit of stuff on the back, and then we'll put a chain through it and make it all secure so nobody can steal it and whatnot. So, all right, let's get this generator out. Let's get some tools going and see if we can get this fixed.
Locate the fuel line, and with a pair of pliers, loosen the fuel line clamp and remove the fuel line from the car.
There we go. Just remove the fuel line. There's the carburetor. A couple more things to remove, then we can unbolt this and pull it out. Alright guys, there it is. Now the hard part begins. I don't think this has ever been serviced since whoever bought this. They just like buy it, use it for a few uses, and sell it for half price. Like, huh, interesting. Oh, it's still full of fuel, I think. Really clean. What the heck? Honestly guys, this thing looks brand spanking new besides a little bit of dirt on the outside. I'm not seeing any dirt on the inside, any buildup on the inside. At this point I'm severely lost. I'm actually shocked I haven't blown myself in the face with some carb cleaner. Okay, so I was putting everything back together, and I was looking, and I noticed these two wires are broken. So I'm pretty sure that's probably why this thing doesn't want to work. So I dug these two bottom wires out best I can, and I think I got some butt connectors up in the roof rack. So I'm gonna see if I can super carefully remove the housing on these and see if I can reconnect them. They're just probably data, but just in case, we'll do our best and we'll see if we can get these two wires back together. If not, then I'm gonna have to order another stepping motor, I think it's called, which controls this guy right here. So that's probably why it's not running properly. Let's see if I can get this to work. Okay, that's a bush fix. The other ones are still connected. Okay, that's this. I need to be grab some black tape, tape that up. So I managed to crimp those just enough to keep those wires from falling out. I'm just gonna put a little black tape over it to protect it all so that I don't accidentally pull it all apart. Now we just gotta put it all back together. We'll see if she works. I'm confident that it works because this thing worked before I put it away. I don't know how these wires got damaged. Well, now we're gonna go put it back together. Okay. Think I got everything? Yeah, I think I got everything. Start her up to see if she runs as we can. Turn the gas on, turn the generator on, open the vent, start her up. Guys, that's so freaking exciting. I fixed my generator. It was just 2 broken wires. It wasn't even dirty. I didn't even need to take the carburetor apart. I just needed to fix those 2 wires. So I need to order a new stepper wire to replace that thing, because that's not gonna last. Guarantee you it. That's just a literal bush fix just to get it running, because I wanted to know if my generator would work, and it works. I didn't even need to put any cleaner in it or nothing. I just spent a bunch of money on all this stuff that I guess I'll have to save for next year when I have to do another carburetor cleaning. If I even use my generator that much. I got a bunch of stuff to clean up, some tools to put away. Yeah. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit once I'm done cleaning up. Oh, everything's frozen this morning. It's got frost everywhere. Well then. That should make for an interesting fishing day. Hopefully it's not too cold and that sun warms up everything, because nobody likes to fish in the cold. Not that cold anyways. Woo. I'm no rush this morning to get out there in the lake, because I'm gonna wait a little bit till it warms up and then go fishing. Wow, it's only 8 o'clock in the morning, so we've got lots of time today. Hopefully there'll be no wind. Just chilling by the heater. Got my toesies warming up. Well, got my toesies staying warm, so that's always nice. making a cup of tea, making breakfast like usual, getting everything ready to go, and then we'll go fishing. Man, what a beautiful calm morning it's been. And I feel well rested too. Although some of the nicest weather I've slept in was out at Manitoba. It was like minus 30 or minus 40 out. And whew, amazing sleep. I didn't even have a heater then. I just slept in the back of my car. But now we've got this massive van with a fancy diesel heater in it. Yeah, I'm spoiled now. I wish I had this thing when I went to Ottawa. That would have been amazing. But, oh well, we're here now. I had the window just like slightly cracked. Like a nice little cold breeze. It was like -2 this morning when I woke up. It was just amazing. Van was just right. Just the right temperature. So we're gonna go out. We're gonna go fishing. Oh, this is cool. Look at the cool pattern on the starling. That is cool. I wonder if there's like heat spots for all the antennas on those little raindrops. That's pretty neat. Yeah, anyways. So we're gonna go out fishing. I'm feeling lucky today, so hopefully we catch a big fish. If not, we're throwing them back. Like today's kind of like a catch and release day unless I catch a big one. I feel like I just got here. Like I've only got 2 days left and then I gotta pack and leave. That sucks. I'll see you guys when I get back from fish. All right, caught another fish. This one's 15, just over 15 inches. There's my hand in comparison. So, fair size, not bad. Not very thick, but I think we're spoiled when we go to Island Lake. We catch the big fish. But they do have 20-inch fish here. But I haven't caught any yet. So we'll keep trying. Keep hoping that we'll catch 20-inch fish in this lake. But I haven't seen much more than 17. But I've heard stories of other people doing it, so we'll keep trying. Maybe it's been fished too much. Who knows? But yeah, I'm gonna put my fish in the freezer. Haven't done this in a while. Vanlife breakfast burritos. Do I really need the big one? Yeah, maybe. I like my big one. You can really just add whatever you want, but I usually just do breakfast sausage, onions, 2 eggs, and a little bit of cheese. And cheese just right. I don't think I added enough egg. Maybe a little too much breakfast sausage. That's okay. It is still yummy. Yum yum. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy my food. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Nice and clean, nice and fresh looking. Just boiling some water here. Once it's done, do some dishes. Make myself a little cup of tea. I'm gonna let this fire die down a little bit. And once it's died down, we're gonna head out, go fishing, because why not? It's such beautiful weather. I don't know whether I'm gonna be anchoring and doing any casting. I just don't know where in this lake they would actually bite. So I think I might just take those rods out tonight and put them away. But I did get a chance to play with my 9-foot and it casts beautifully. Whether it casts better than the 10-foot or not, still to be debated. But yeah, I think we might put the swap the lines on the 2 and try it in a different lake. But I still can't figure out why I don't like my brand new $100 Scientific Anglers sinking tip, weight forward, float line. It just doesn't work for me. It might just sit in a bag, to be honest, because I can't put it on any of my rods. I just can't cast it, at a reasonable, distance. Whereas these 2 lines that I've got on right now, one is expensive, one is cheap. They cast it beautifully, and I can put them out there, 50, 60 feet. I can put the the leader and the tippet out there so far with a strike indicator, so they just work amazing. I'm just babbling along about my fly fishing rods. But I am excited. I may take out my other fly rod, my little 8-foot that I just got, and put my sinking line on it. It does like 7 feet, whereas the one that I got down there does 9 feet. I've caught all my big fish on that big rod. So, well, not big rod, deep line, deep fishing line. Might get a little bit of rain, I doubt it though. But, yeah, can't go wrong with that. Well, it's been a successful week. We got the generator running, caught, 3 big fish, and we still got a couple days left. We played some video games last night, right up until, bedtime, brushed my teeth, went to bed. That was the end of my night last night. I totally forgot to say goodnight last night on camera, but that's alright, sometimes I forget. It's the life of YouTube. That's going to be it for tonight, guys. Please hit the thumbs up on the video down below. Wait, don't close the video, guys. Just wait. I got one more thing to add. Just wait. Remember to check out the end of the video because I did catch my big fish today. Just thought I'd let you guys know. Unpause the video. Okay, now watch to the end of the video. Remember to watch to the end of the video. And if you haven't subscribed, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of Life with Spiike. Peace out. 6 fish today, and this is the biggest one. So I kept a 17, or just a little over 17, and a 15, a couple inches shorter. Woo!